guys, this is She Has to Be Chic Boutique back again with another 10-minute or less video. Before we dig into the video, I just want to tell you about our website, She Has to Be Chic Boutique, where we sell trendy jewelry and accessories, and we're currently running a special where you can get 10% off of your entire purchase if you use the discount code SheChic at checkout, and also sign up to our newsletter. That way you can find out about exclusive deals that we're doing on our site and gift card giveaways. With that being said, let's get into the video. Welcome, penny pinchers. This is another episode in our series, How to Save and Invest for Beginners, and this is episode number 2, Acorns. Let's get into it. Are you sick and tired of being broke and always sweating about when you're going to get your next check? I know, we've all been there. Are you looking to get rich quick? Like raining money? Well, guess what? That is not this video. This video is for the penny pinchers. So pull out your notepad and take some notes. Acorns is a website where you can take control of your money. It's an all-in-one investment, retirement, checking, and more. And what happens is every time you go to the store and you spend money, it takes your loose change and it rounds it up and puts it into a savings account for you. That way, you don't even have to think about saving your money if you're an impulsive spender. So listen up. Okay, penny pinchers, this is that part of the video where you pause your computer and use my invite code in order to sign up. So use my code, sign up for Acorns. Okay, penny pinchers, let's talk about how you can make some money. If you invite 4 friends, you earn $250. And the way you can do that is you earn $250 investment when you invite 4 friends to start investing with Acorns by May 31st. You do that May 31st. Plus, you get an extra $5 for every referral, and the person you refer gets $5 invested too. So you're not getting a check, but what's going to happen is it's going to take that money and invest it into stocks and bonds. That way you can make more money on your return. Okay, now that you've signed up, let's go over a few things. This is what your home screen will look like. If you notice is you've invested $51.06 in the last 30 days. That's how much I've invested, and it says roundups. And I have $1.44 and I have $3 and some change left until I reach $5. Once I reach $5, they'll invest that $5 into my savings with Acorn. Now I'm scrolling down, it says grow your knowledge. And then to the right it says $5 for you, $5 for them. Invite your friends to become investors too. They'll thank you. From here, you can get a referral link that you can send out to all of your friends, and you can get $5 that you can invest in your savings for each person who signs up. And then on the left, grow your knowledge. There's various different topics that you can read over about how you can grow your savings account. Now let's check out a few of these tabs. Let's click invest. So it says your account value is $587.53. So far, that's how much I've invested, and I've only been on Acorns a year. I've chose aggressive. So they take my money and they aggressively put in various different stocks and bonds, and it shows you the percentage. Now, of course, because the economy has hit a snag, my amount of money went down a little bit, but now that things are picking back up, the amount of money that I'm having invested, or I'm seeing more of a return on my investment, although I had a little snag, but it's nothing to sneeze about. So here I'm just clicking on, if you were to choose a moderate investment, various different things, what percentages they would use in order to invest your money. And like I said, I chose aggressive, but if you're new to this, you may not want to be so aggressive. I would say go with moderate. And I'm just scrolling. Now we're going to go back to our home screen. Now I'm going to click on roundups. And it tells you how the roundups work. If you want to read this, by all means, pause your screen here. So I'm scrolling down. I have 2 times roundups. So what this means is anytime I have loose change, let's say I spent $1.50, it takes the extra 50 cents and it multiplies that times 2 which makes it $1, and it invests that for me. So that's how roundups work. Like I said, I do 2 times, but you can do more. And then each month, $10 is taken out. $10 is taken out of my checking account in order to put in my savings account. And as you see, it says transferring amount. It's $7 and some change, so that's roundup amount. Next up, it says roundups. The next roundup amount is $7.18. All right. So pending roundups. So on the right, it's showing you the dates and how much money it took in order to round up. Now, you'll see that the dollar amounts are like kind of high and kind of low, and that's only because I chose 2 times roundup. Now, you don't have to do that much. You can do 1 times roundup, or if you want to be aggressive, 3 times, 10 times roundup of your extra change when you go shopping. So far, it says you invested $51.06 in the last 30 days. And then there's a breakdown. Roundups, $41.06. Recurring payment, $10. Now, you'll see on the bottom right, it says grow your knowledge. So if you have any more questions, you can click on those tabs and just familiarize yourself with the site. Now, let's click on performance. So it's showing you in a day, a month, in a year, how my investments have been performing. It's very good to check this. That way you can see whether it's been going down or whether it's been increasing. So we're done with the investment part. So now let's talk about potential. What can your money do over time, over years? Or, I'm sorry, before we get there, let's talk about found money. So kind of like Rakuten, anytime you shop online, it will invest money for you back into this Acorns savings account, which is what I like. So I'm going to type in Walmart. Walmart, as you see here, will invest 1% of your purchase back into your Acorns savings account. So it actually talks about ways in which you can qualify in order to get this 1% back from Walmart. At this point, you can actually pause your screen if you want to read the fine print that is there. As you see, my cursor is going over it, but if you would like to read that, pause your screen right now. That way you can familiarize yourself with how the investment works when you shop online at your favorite stores. I clicked grow your knowledge. So like I said, if you need more information about how Acorns work, definitely read the various different articles that it has about how you can grow your money. Now let's click on view potential. Over time, it says if I keep up my amount of spending and investing, I can earn $82,350 by the age of 74. So by retirement age, if I just keep up on this pace, I can get $82,000. So that's not even taking into account my own personal savings or retirement I have in my job. That's just using Acorn. Now, mind you, there's various different apps we're going to be talking about in this series and how you can save money. But with Acorns, like I said, if I keep up this track, I can make at least $82,000, and that's potential. I could even make more. Oh, penny pinchers, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for spending your time listening to me and my tips. You guys must really be super fans. Don't forget to like this video and, of course, subscribe and drop down in the comments and tell me what you think.